if you're on a sales call and prospect says, yeah, sounds really good, but I just don't have the money, I can't afford it. Then you have to find out, is this a real objection or is it just a smokescreen? Because a lot of times people use that as a smokescreen to kind of get off the call. They don't really want your program or they don't see the value in it. And then they just say they don't have the money. So you have to find out, is that real? So you ask them, money aside, is this something that you really, really want? And then you have to listen to their tonality. Like if they're saying like, yeah, then it's not true. Then they don't want it. They're not 100% bought it. But if they're saying, yeah, absolutely, I really, really want it, but I just don't have the money right now. Then you can say, okay, great. So if they are willing, if they really want it, you can also ask, so on a scale from 1 to 10, where 10 is, this is exactly what I want. This is what I've been looking for to solve my problem. And 1 is like, I hate this, I just want to get off the call. Then you can ask them, so where you at there? And if they're less than 9 or 10, then it's also a smokescreen. You have to find out what else is underneath this. Why are they not bought into it? Because then money is just a smokescreen. But let's say that they are 9 or 10. Then you can say, okay, so you 100% want this, it's just the money, right? And then they say, yeah, it's just the money, I really, really want that. Okay, so are you willing and open to talk about your finances so that we can find a solution so that you can get started, so that you can solve this problem that you have and get this that you really, really want? Are you open to talking about this? And then they usually say, yeah, because they really want your program, right? And then you can ask them, so how much money is in your bank account? How much do you earn per month? How much are your expenses? And how much do you have in your savings account? And what about credit cards? Do you have any credit cards that you can use? Because this is a business investment, of course. Or do you have anyone that you could maybe borrow some money from or take a loan or something like that? Because if they really, really want this, they're going to be happy to work with you because you are helping them finding a solution, because then you can give them a customized payment plan. So it's not going to be intrusive because this is what they really, really want. But you have to make sure that it is really what they want. Otherwise, it's not going to be received well. So that's why we ask them several times, do you really want this? Is this what you can see solve your problem? So I hope it helps. And if you are a coach, consultant, or agency, you're looking for high-ticket clients, we can definitely do that for you. So book a call to learn more. Or if you want a completely done-for-you coaching business in a box, that's what we do also. With lead generation built in and also your whole entire coaching program made for you in your niche. So book a call to learn more if you want that. And give me a like, follow, and subscribe.